Hello friends, today we will present you one of history's most inspiring leadership story. Many times we fail to achieve success because we don't give 100% commitment. We want to be in a comfort zone. Easy times make us slower and complacent. An exit strategy deteriorates our effort, focus and dedication. Way back in history, a leader also faced with same challenges. What he did was unique and an act of bravery. A famous explorer, Hernando Cortés, wanted his army to conquer the land for Spain. The goal was to capture a magnificent treasure said to be held there. Cortés and his army faced many challenges like disease, scarce resource and a merciless enemy. Upon arrival, Cortés made history by burning all his ships. This sent a clear message and brought a 100% commitment from his army. There is no way back, they have only one choice left. Either win or perish. Within 2 years, he succeeded in his conquest of the Aztec Empire. If you want to share the video through WhatsApp, then first touch the share button, then touch the WhatsApp symbol, then select multiple contacts to whom you want to send, then finally touch the bigger right mark. We are committed to create one video a week. To help us grow, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.